Hi, hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are planning a trip to Thottikallu Waterfalls, which is located just 30 kilometers from Bangalore. Let's get started the trip now. Firstly, we booked a cab from Marthahalli to Thottikallu Waterfalls, which costs around 800 to 900 rupees. We switched to Silk Boat and head towards Tumakuru and Bannerghatta Road, entering Electronic City Road. After entering the highway, the scenario is beautiful, smooth and calm. These guys are happily enjoying the whole ride and they are my traveling companions of this week. The Art of Living Yoga and Meditation Center is also there on the way to Thottikallu Waterfalls. You can also visit if you are interested in visiting. After overtaking the highway, we entered a small village. The greenery was so nice and felt like I was in Kerala. After that, we entered this road which connects another village to TK Waterfalls. After about 2 hours drive, we finally reached TK Waterfalls. It is the parking lot and is managed by the local landlords of this land, and they charged 20 rupees per bike and 50 rupees per car as a parking fee. The sun was very hot and we started our journey from the parking lot to the TK Waterfalls. Here there are some snacks and food stalls on the way to the falls, but price is little bit high, so better I am suggesting you to bring your own food with you. It's little bit nice for you, I think. This is the main entrance to the TK Waterfalls, where there is a small bridge is there. We have to cross the bridge. Here you saw that water from the falls reaches here and distributed to other areas. After crossing the bridge, there is a small temple and we visited the temple and starts our journey. After reaching this place, we had a watermelon as a snack. It's too nice and too sweet. Look, these guys are eating like monkeys as watermelon competition. It's too nice to see them. It's too funny also. After eating the watermelon, we started trekking to waterfalls. This is the main entrance to the waterfalls. Here they put one board also that wild animals are there. Take care while going. At the starting point of the trekking route, we saw a well which is filled with water, but the water in the well is not good. It's contaminated with dirt and some plastic bottles. Actually, this is my YouTube channel and I am the vlogger of this video, but these guys, my travel companions, give camera to me and make me as a cameraman, and they act as vloggers and
okay. నేను లోగల్ లేనట్టున్నాను, నేను కెమెరామ్యాన్ ఉన్నట్టున్నా, మీరు యూట్యూబర్స్ ఉన్నట్టున్నారు.
Giving guidelines to me to do like this, okay. To do like this, take pictures like that. Whole trip they are roasting me. This is the another water stream that we found on the way to waterfalls. Here we took some videos and photos here and chilled some time here. After half an hour walk into forest area, we finally reached the waterfalls. What we waiting eagerly for weekend trip. but the water is very low at that time we visit. We get little bit disappointed, but I suggest you please visit this waterfalls at a seasonal time. You will get more enjoy and more fun there.
കാലമാകുന്ന തോണിയിൽ നമ്മളിന്നിതാ ചേരവേ പീളി നീർത്തുന്നൊരായിരം ജാലമെന്നിലിന്നാകെ പവിഴമഴയേ നീ പെയ്യുമോ ഇന്നിവളെ നീ മൂടുമോ വെൺപനിമതിവളിലെ മലരൊളി അഴകിലെ നാളങ്ങളിൽ എൻ കനവുകൾ വിതറിയ താരകങ്ങളെ കാണുവാൻ കാത്തു ഞാൻ.
We took some photos, videos and made some reels. We had a lot of fun with my friends. We enjoyed a lot. We can't express. We had some water funs here and enjoyed a lot. This is really nice trip for weekends. If you are in Bangalore, please visit this place in seasonal times. It is very nice and very worthy for you. I can suggest. Please visit this place when you are free. Then we started trekking to the top to see the top view of the waterfalls. While trekking, the path is not good. It is very difficult to walk here. Be careful. While trekking to topmost point, the trekking route is not well defined and required careful navigation. Be careful while trekking to top point because it is very difficult to take walk in that path. So be careful guys. And from this point the water comes down from above, and from this point the main waterfalls is starting here. You can see very nearly how the water is coming from top to down and how the waterfalls it forms. It's too nice and too beautiful to see this much near. After that we started trekking to see the topmost view, but the trekking route is not good. Before I told you, be careful and take precautions while trekking this route, please. Despite the challenging trek, we finally reach the topmost point. We take a moment to appreciate the beauty around us. After reaching topmost view, here my friends are showing from this outlet the water is coming down and form the waterfalls. See how it is. This is the topmost view of the TK waterfalls. The scenery is beautiful, smooth and calm. It's so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
అదిగో అక్కడ.
After reaching the topmost view, we started searching for initial water source for the waterfalls. In this process, we found a small waterfall here. This is one of the source of the waterfalls. Here, so many visitors are swimming and enjoying a lot here. It was really amazing and we enjoyed a lot at this place. We swim here for some time and relaxing our souls in the beauty of nature.
మైక్ ఆ కోతులు చూడు ఎలా జలకలాడుతున్నాయో.
Later we started again searching the forest area for the initial source of the waterfalls and enter into the forest area.
Myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start.
ఒక కోతి ఉయ్యాలు కూడా చూసారా సీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అయిపోతే
Your kisses were my skin.
Water comes here from the forest area and the water flow starts from here like this. This flow reaches the water pond and later it flows down. Look at the whole stream which is base for the waterfalls. From this outlet, the water goes down and forms the waterfall. See the overview of the waterfalls from starting to ending. If you are in Bangalore, it is nice place for weekend trip and the budget also very low. To conclude our vlog, this vlog captures the essence of our journey from Bangalore to scenery of TK Waterfalls, showing the natural beauty and tranquility of the surroundings. Join us on this adventure and stay tuned for more exciting trips. Until then, signing off. Bye bye.